persona of Mamata Banerjee, and I myself have been an ex-Congress person. I have been in the Congress a couple of months back, and the reason why I moved away from the Congress was because their unsure attitudes about what's happening. None of the leadership knew what was happening. I was an extremely loyal congressman, but I realized that this cannot go on. And most of the people of Goa are like me. I'm introducing another colleague of mine, Arturo D'Souza, a very well-known and eminent personality of Goa. He has done a lot of work in the water management. He has saved the bond wall lakes, lots of things. So we've got a good leadership here. So at the same time, what can we call this alliance between the Congress and the BJP? The Congress and the BJP alliance is basically an alliance of jumping monkeys. A common used term in Goan politics, and you could have seen exactly what happened yesterday for that matter. Rohan Kaunti, who was all the time promising that he would join the Congress, is now back with the BJP. He called the Chief Minister of Goa Pappu, and now Pappu has tamed Rohan Kaunti. So is this the type of a narrative that these parties are trying to sell to Goa? It's time that we stop it. I would like to question that alliance between the Congress and the BJP. Quite obviously, everyone is questioning them. And they have betrayed the trust of the people and made a mockery out of democracy. It's a power-grabbing nexus. In fact, it's written here, power-grubbing. Yes, it's grubbing. They are having a grub at our cost. And a free grub at our cost. It's time that we change that. We cannot trust parties of this type because MLAs are moving from one side to the other. And innocent and honest people like us are being taken for a ride. If you talk about congressmen, most of the congressmen not even aware of what's happening in the Congress. A very senior leader of the Congress, Mr. Raju Kabral, who's now in the TMC, I asked him yesterday, why did you leave the Congress when you were virtually a sure winner of the Congress? And he said, that is how the Congress party kills you. They kills you by delay, and he called it death by delay. And this is happening across the board. Questionable people are being put forward. In a place like Santa Cruz, when such a fantastic person like Arturo was there, they just didn't bother to look at him. Now, this is not what we Goans want. Goa is a place of great talent, great intelligence. People from Goa are actually running political thought across India. Our cases are in the Supreme Court. So we have very intelligent people running the political situation in Goa. And at the same time, the Congress and the BJP are giving us questionable people. So I appeal to the people of Goa to understand this nexus. Don't fall for people's rumors. All sorts of rumors are flying. But one thing is for certain, Mamata Banerjee has won West Bengal in a very strong manner. I'm not saying she's perfect. No one is perfect. But the fact that Goa wants to get rid of the BJP, I think there's no better person than Mamata Banerjee to do that. I will now turn to Pratibha, who can say something in Konkani.
आताच आर्मांडोंनी सांगितलंय की काँग्रेसचं राजकारण हे भाजपाला पूरक असं राजकारण आहे आणि याचा प्रत्यय मला गेली 5 वर्ष जेव्हापासून मी राजकारणामध्ये सक्रिय झाले तेव्हापासून याचा प्रत्यय मला येतो. 2017 ची जी विधानसभा निवडणूक झाली त्या निवडणुकीमध्ये गोव्याच्या जनतेने काँग्रेसला सरळ बहुमत दिलं होतं. बहुमताच्या अगदी जवळ आणून सोडलेलं होतं. 17 आमदार त्यांनी निवडून दिले. मला सांगा की 17 ते 21 याच्यामध्ये किती आमदारांची संख्या आहे? ज्या माणसाने काँग्रेसला समर्थन देण्याऐवजी काँग्रेसला धोका दिला आणि भाजपाला समर्थन दिलं आणि भाजपाला सत्तेत आणलं, अशा माणसासोबत आज हात मिळवणी केली याच्यावरूनच हे सिद्ध होते की काँग्रेसला परत भाजपाला सत्तेत आणायचं आहे. जसं आर्मांडोंनी आता सांगितलेलं आहे की आम्ही जी काँग्रेसची कट्टर काँग्रेसची माणसं होतो आणि आम्हाला मनस्वी वाटतं की भाजपासारख्या विद्वेष पसरवणाऱ्या, जातीभेद करणाऱ्या आणि जातीवरून माणसांमध्ये दंगली घडवून आणणाऱ्या पार्टीला जर सत्तेपासून दूर ठेवायचं असेल तर त्याच उद्देशाने आणि त्याच पॅशनने आपल्याला काम करायला पाहिजे. परंतु गेल्या काही वर्षांमध्ये आपण जर बघितलं तर काँग्रेसकडून हे होत नाहीये. 17 आमदारांना 10 आमदारांनी खाऊ पक्षांतर केलं. 10 आमदार तुमचे जेव्हा सोडून जातात आणि याची तुम्हाला सुतमात्र सुद्धा कल्पना नसते, तुम्हाला भनक सुद्धा लागत नाही तर तुमचं नेतृत्व काय कामाचं. स्थानिक स्वराज्य संस्थेच्या निवडणुकीपासून जेव्हा तुम्ही अपयशी ठरता, प्रत्येक निवडणुकीमध्ये तुम्हाला अपयश येतं, तेव्हा कुठे ना कुठे पक्ष नेतृत्वावर मोठं प्रश्नचिन्ह निर्माण होतं. हे गोव्याच्या जनतेने लक्षात घ्यायला हवं. आम्हालाही तो प्रश्न पडला आम्ही ते प्रश्न विचारत होतो अध्यक्षांना की सर असं का घडलं, साहेब तसं का घडलं, हा माणूस इथे का प्लेस करण्यात आला, त्या माणसाला कशा प्रकारे प्रमोशन देण्यात आलं, तो त्या पदावरती कसा काय अचानक पोहोचला. त्या प्रश्नांना कधीच उत्तरं नाही मिळाली. जेव्हा आपण म्हणतो की काँग्रेस हा लोकशाहीवादी पक्ष आहे, लोकशाहीचे जे ध्येय धोरण आहेत, जी आयडिओलॉजी आहे, ती आयडिओलॉजी पुढे घेऊन जाणारा पक्ष आहे, जेव्हा आपण असं म्हणतो तेव्हा पक्षातल्या नेत्यांनी आणि सामान्य कार्यकर्त्यांनी जर प्रश्न उपस्थित केला तर त्याला उत्तर देणं हे प्रत्येक नेत्याचं कर्तव्य आहे, आद्य कर्तव्य आहे असं आम्ही मानतो. आणि जेव्हा या प्रश्नांची उत्तरं मिळत नाही तेव्हा कार्यकर्ते नाराज होतात आणि त्यांना पक्ष सोडण्याचा निर्णय घ्यावा लागतो. दुःखाने, अतिशय खेदाने मला असं म्हणावं वाटतं आणि तेच आम्ही केलं. आजच्या घडीला मला असं दिसतंय की टीएमसी पार्टीशिवाय, ममता बॅनर्जीच्या नेतृत्वाशिवाय गोव्याला आणि कुठलं नेतृत्व नाहीये की जे भाजपाला सत्तेपासून दूर ठेवेल. भाजपा सत्तेत आल्यामुळे गोयंकारांची किती वाताहत झाली, त्यांना किती त्रासाला सामोरं जावं लागलं, किती दयनीय अवस्था झाली हे आपण सगळे गोयंकार जाणतो. आणि प्रत्येकाने ते फेस आरशाला भावलेली, गोयंकारांना भावलेली माणसे गेली कुठे? हेच का तुमचं नेतृत्व, हीच का तुमची आयडिओलॉजी? गोव्यामध्ये तृणमूल काँग्रेस पार्टी ही त्याच ध्येयाने आलेली आहे की भाजपाला आम्हाला सत्तेपासून दूर ठेवायचं आहे आणि गोयंकारांना प्रत्येक गोष्टीमध्ये, प्रत्येक बाबतीत
नॉट टचिंग टीएमसी. आमकां कित्याक ते दिना, कित्याक ते जाणा की आमकां तेंको दी जाल्यार तांकां पार्टी सोडून घेवचें ना म्हणून. कित्याक आमची आयडिओलॉजी व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग आसा आनी हे आमी गोंयकारांक सांगूंक सोदता की हे लोक आमचे पार्टीन येयना कित्याक हेंकां जाय उडके मारपाक आनी हे काँग्रेसीन इजी उडके मारपाक. टायम हिस्ट्रीन सांगला तुमकां की हे व्हेरी इजी म्हणून. चड करून म्हाका इतलें वायट दिसता की विजय सरदेसाय असलो मनीस हे सगळे टीसीपी काबार करून उडयला. टीसीपीचे आख्खे डिपार्टमेंटाने काबार केला. नोटिफिकेशन काढून सगळे 16B हाडून मागीर TDR हाडून तुवें सांगचें कितलें इतलें ना. नोटिफिकेशन हाडून फ्रॉम X to Y to Z सगळ्यांक सारके निटयेर बसयल्या. आनी टीएमसीचे फायली वचपाक जाय भायर ते मागीर वचून मिनिस्टर सायन करता. मिनिस्टर बाबा, मिनिस्टर तूं एज्युकेटेड मनीस आहा, तूं टेक्निकल नॉलेज आसा तुका की तूं स्वता सायन मारता आनी एप्रूव्ह करता फायली. हें कितें चल्लां? सो लोकांनी चिंतूंक जाय की असलो गठबंधन पळय जाला तो फकत माकड उडके मारपाचें गठबंधन केल्या आनी हाचेर आनी कांय एक्सप्लेनेशन ना. लोकांनी दोळे ओपन करून सगळे पळयलेले आसात. मागता लोकां कडेन असलो गठबंधनाक सपोर्ट दिवचे न्हू. कित्याक चड करून ह्या ahले मनशाक आनी तांकां जाय की ते ahले पार्टीक एस्टॅब्लीश जावपाक की आपूण जिखतले आनी आपणाक मागीर जाय ते करतले. आनी आनीक एक निवेदन दिवंक सोदता की बीजेपीन पळय जें पळय गोंयान काबार केला तो असलो सरकार आमकां केन्नाच नाका. हांव अशी एक एक्टिविस्ट आसलेलो आनी बरें काम करतालो एक्टिविजम घेवन. पूण म्हाका देंवचें पडलें कित्याक आमी तर फाटीं रावले जाल्यार गोंयां आमचे काबार जातले. ताका लागून लोकां कडेन मागता, चड करून मागता हांव जे पळय एज्युकेटेड मनीस आहा, जे पळय शिकणार आसा, जे पळय जाणा कितें जाता ते हितून पॉलिटिक्सान, तुमी पॉलिटिक्सान देंवचे आनी हे आमची राजकारण पळय आहा ती नितळ करचें.
Mr. Armando, do you think any threat for your party now after the alliance with the Goa Power and Congress?
Any stress?
Threat for your party?
No, not at all. In fact, I didn't want to go as far as to say that we welcome it, because that clearly shows that there is an excess. Because what happened in 2017 was very clear. In fact, my objection was absolutely crystal clear. It was on my social media platform where I have said that you cannot team up with the person who has come up with 16B. It's an opening to destroy Goa. And the moment that alliance was sort of announced, of course they pulled back, they came back, I don't know what they were up to. The moment they said that the alliance would be there, I quit the party. Within 5 minutes I sent my resignation to Girish Chodekar. Girish is a very good friend of mine, but it is over. Politically it's over because we cannot trust the Congress. I for one, I'm sure Arturo for one, we are people who are congressmen for donkey's years. Our heart has been in the Congress. But today what is happening is unbelievable. And unless we do something, 2022 is a very critical time If we don't do something in our politics today, our children are going to suffer for time immemorial. So we are very clear about it. So politically, it's over. And the Congress has to be defeated. BJP has to be, of course, defeated. They are a party which has destroyed Goa. As Arturo said, we have never seen politics of this type over the last 50 years, where we have taken us to the nadir. So it's time that we get rid of these people and have a new party which has got a great leader, a leader who's strong. As I said, no one is perfect. Mamata Banerjee also not perfect, but she has got a leadership style that will put people in place here in Goa. And that's exactly what we require.
Vijay Sardesai many times said in his statement that Congress convener Challa Komalu Lungi and Pungi. How you look at this statement?
Politicians are making all sorts of statements. People are calling Rohan Kaunde called the Chief Minister Pappu, and then someone's calling something else. It's gone beyond us. But yes, that shows how low they can go. They can team up with anyone. There's no ideology left. In 15 days and 20 days, people are shifting hands. So we are here, like Arturo has, as he said, stepped down from activism, great activism. I'm also an activist. I also have stepped down to join a political party. Why? Because we are really desperate. We have young children. We have got kids who are actually looking forward. Where is the hope? Why are people traveling? Why are people going to London with UK passports? You mean people don't want to stay in Goa? Goa is one of the most cherished and promised lands in the world. But people are leaving because of the level of corruption that is there today. And something has to be done. It has to be a cancer which is cut in one shot.
Is there before was there rumors that Vijay will join TMC? What made
I think it's very clear. I think what Vijay was trying to do was to merge with the TMC. And I think once it's merged, then you're standing for elections on the symbol of TMC. I don't see that is that much a cardinal sin as an alliance would be. An alliance is something which a person can jump at any point of time, and there's proof of it. There's no credibility left in that side. So if there was a merger, in fact, I was pushing for a merger of Vijay Sardesai into the Congress, and I would have supported that. Even though I might not have thought that was the best scenario, but I would have supported it. The TMC was in that position. At no point of time TMC has offered an alliance to the Goa Forward Party. That has been very clear.
And that he did not agree for that.
To the merger, he did not.
Thank you.
Any other questions from anyone?